And good morning, everyone. Welcome back to NeelyFX. My name is Michael Neely, and this is the channel where I talk about foreign exchange trading, prop firm trading, and hopefully making money doing all those things. It's time for the Monday morning daily Forex update. We don't have a whole lot going on today, since it's a federal holiday in the United States, so it's kind of going to be a slow one today, is what we're expecting, but we will see what happens with that. In the meantime, let's go ahead and get into our risk disclaimer, since we're going to be talking about foreign exchange trading and also real risks, and you need to know about those risks. So it goes something like this. This channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute trading or financial advice. I'm a professional trader, not a broker, trading my own capital. I do not solicit funds, manage client accounts, nor do I hold CFTC or NFA registration at this time. Forex trading is highly speculative with a high risk of losing some or all of your investment capital. Only trade with funds you can comfortably afford to lose. And here's the CFTC risk disclosure. Forex trading carries a high degree of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. The high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. Before trading Forex, consider your investment objectives, experience, and risk appetite. You could sustain a loss of some or all of your investment capital. So with that, let's go ahead and get started with the what's happening today thing. So here we go. There we are. There I am. Okay, so here we are. We got the DXY right here, and it has moved very little in the overnights. This is on the daily, no, on the hourly chart, which means it's moved even less. So here's the hourly chart. The first thing I noticed on these Bollinger Bands is it's sharply lower on in volume, trading volume. So we've got very little trading volume today. We still have these selling block right on top of a buying block, so it indicates it's going nowhere without a really strong push with one direction or the other. So that's not a whole lot going on with the DXY today. It is going up, but it's if you're going to trade today, you can probably get into the euro versus the dollar on a very small time frame, like 15 minutes, maybe make some money. Euro versus the pound is right here. So even though the American banks are closed, that does not mean that everyone else is closed. Something I forgot to do real quick. Let's go ahead and do this right now. It's one of those days I had to shut the computers down and start all over again due to technical reasons. Oh yeah, I don't know if anybody's noticed, but the platform called X, aka Twitter, is down right now. It's very interesting. I mean, it's flat done. How it's done. Nothing happened there. So we got not a whole lot going on. As you can see up here, 12 pips, 20 pips, 4 pips, 16 pips. So not a whole lot going on today. Not even any. Trump would back Israel strikes on Iran's missile program if U.S.-Iran talks fail. All right. Well, let's see. Here we go. Euro versus the pound. Not a whole lot of change today. Again, as anticipated, the London markets are also not doing very well today, or not doing anything today as far as volume goes. Euro versus the dollar, right there. Not going anywhere. Dollar versus the pound. Dollar versus the yen, rather. Get a little perkiness right there, but not enough to really kind of set anything on fire. It's up to 143.72. 7 hours to go, so it's 9 o'clock. Okay. Pound versus the dollar. A lot of buying support right there at 36.40, but just needs that little push to make it go up. Right now, it's sitting right on the 20-day moving average in between those two Bollinger Bands, so I don't anticipate that going anywhere. Pound versus the yen. That's looking pretty bearish to me. Looking like Bollinger Bands are increasing, so we could be getting some volume into this. It's not really pushing very hard past 209, so we could see a reversal on that pretty soon. Let's see. We're looking at an RSI. RSI is headed down to 50. Where is it right now? 50.82. Yikes. Not touching that. ATR's perking up a little bit, but again, not enough to kind of make things work as far as the trade goes. Euro versus the dollar. Euro versus the yen. Again, not a whole lot a little bit of pluckiness going on, but not enough to really set things on fire. Again, looking like a pretty good price rejection right there. It's forming at 181.77 at resistance. UCAD. I would expect this one to go somewhere today, maybe, but it's not. It's kind of like a little doji forming right there. Got 9 hours to keep it going. See if, or 7 hours, 8 hours to see if it's going to stay that way. Canadian versus the yen. Not a whole lot going on there either. Oil, $63 a barrel. Got a little perky, but not enough to. Then that's also a pretty clean reversal candle right there too. So we'll see if that candle holds for the rest of the day. Aussie versus the dollar. Still taking a little breather. Gold struggling to get back up to $5,000 an ounce. Right now it's at $49.97. See if that holds. See if the metals hold or continue to drop off. Platinum again heading lower at 2031. Palladium 1726, not really going anywhere. And silver right here, not really going anywhere. Stock market hasn't opened up yet, so we can't really take a look at all this other stuff like the IGV. We'll get on that, not today, but tomorrow, because it's again, it's not going to be open. So I will be doing this a lot earlier in the morning because I've got to go back to my day job. So after an extended period of recovery from physical recovery from an injury. So with that, we've got a little bit more recovery on that, so my shoulder's feeling better. We'll see what happens as that goes. Silver's down to $77 an ounce and holding right at 77, right at the 2026 weekly low close. So that, or the weekly low close so far for 2026. We'll see if that holds, or if that's going to maintain, or if it's going to drop off into the 50s. Again, big silver squeeze coming in March, so we'll see how that pans out. Well, in the meantime, that's all we've got for today. You guys have a great one. If you're going to trade carefully. Good, very short trades and very tight stop losses, in order to give yourself a chance to maximum profitability. Other than that, that's about all I got. I'm ready to build my my web application, which will be coming soon. As soon as it's got a lot more work to do on it though, but we're struggling with one function right now, getting the charts to work out. So with that, stay tuned for that. If you like this video, then by all means click the thumbs up button. If you want to see more of these videos, then click on the subscribe to the channel, and you'll be notified of when more videos come out. And if you want to talk to me, then by all means, click on the comment section, fill it out, and click send, and I will get back with you as soon as I can. So in the meantime, you guys have a great one. Talk to you later. Bye.